Alright guys, I'm going to show you a trick today. Alright. See all that busted laying down? You see me. Alright? I'm nothing special. This is a challenge. All you people out there think you're tough. You think you're tough? I'm going to show you something. We're going to do a new challenge today on Facebook. No ice water, no eating Tide Pods. It's a man challenge. Let me show you what's up. If you can do it, do it. Do not try this at home if you're afraid. You will break your face. I'm going to show you something. We have here is a 16 pouch sledgehammer. Alright? I'm going to show you a trick. If you can do this, cool. But you can't. Don't even try it. Not with all your push-ups and your sit-ups. Alright, I'm going to show you a trick. Pray to the Lord that I don't lose my eyeballs. You ready? Take this. Straight out. That's right. What you got, Facebook? What you got? Kiss the hammer? Oh, I don't think so.